Hello everyone, welcome to Proximal Learning Zone. How are you all? Hope you all doing well. Okay, let's start our today's session. In today's session, we're tackling physics MCQs on light reflection and refraction, focusing on the concepts you must know to score well. Okay, let's go.
1. Light is a form of dash. A. Energy. B. Work. C. Power. D. Current. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. Light is a form of energy which transfers in the form of electromagnetic waves and helps us to see things. When light falls on an object, then it is reflected back and we can see it.
2. Light selects the path which takes the least time of travel. This statement was given by A. Fermat, B. Snell, C. Huygens, D. Newton. The correct option is A. Fermat. 3. A source of light, an opaque object, and a screen are needed to form A. Lateral inversion, B. Shadow, C. Reflection, D. Mirror. The correct option is B. Shadow. 4. According to the laws of reflection, the angle of incidence should be dash the angle of reflection. A. More than, B. Less than, C. Equal to, D. Slanting to. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Laws of reflection. First law. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. 5. The speed of light in vacuum is A. 4 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, B. 3 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, C. 3 into 10 raised to power 3 meter per second, D. 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Light does not need any medium to travel. It travels in vacuum also. In vacuum, the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. The speed of light changes when it goes from one medium to another. 6. Which bodies allow complete passage of light through them? A. Opaque bodies, B. Translucent bodies, C. Transparent bodies, D. Shadows. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Transparent bodies. These bodies allows passage of light through them. Examples: glass, water, air, clean plastic, and diamonds. 7th. Which bodies do not allow passage of light through them at all? Option A. Opaque bodies. Option B. Translucent bodies. Option C. Transparent bodies. Option D. Shadows. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. Opaque bodies. These bodies do not allow passage of light through them at all. Examples: tables, chairs, wall, wood, metals, book. 8th question. Which bodies allow partial passage of light through them? Option A. Opaque bodies. Option B. Translucent bodies. Option C. Transparent bodies. Option D. Shadows. The correct option is B. Here is the explanation. Translucent bodies. These objects allow partial passage of light through them. Examples: glazed glass, tracing paper, smoke, fog. 9. What are the conditions for the formation of shadow? A. Source of light and the light travels in a straight line. B. Opaque objects. C. A screen. D. All of the above. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. In nature, houses, walls, fields acts as screen. No shadow is formed in darkness. Shadow is always black even if the object is colored. Shadow shows the shape of an object. Translucent objects also form shadow. 10. Which surface is smooth, shining and reflector? A. Shadow, B. Opaque bodies, C. Light, D. Mirror. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Mirror surface is smooth, shining and reflector. Mirrors are of two types. They are plane and spherical or curved mirrors. 11th, how the images are formed in a plane mirror. A. Real, erect and same size. B. Virtual, erect and different size. C. Virtual, erect and same size. D. Real and inverted. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. Its reflecting surface is plane. It is used in looking glass, kaleidoscope, periscope. The image formed in a plane mirror is virtual, erect, of the same size as the object and as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. 12. The light ray that incidents on a surface is called dash. Option A, incident ray. Option B, reflected ray. Option C, normal ray. Option D, refracted ray. The correct option is option A. 13. The light ray that bounces back to the same medium is known as dash. Option A, incident ray. Option B, reflected ray. Option C, normal ray. Option D, refracted ray. The correct option is option B. 14. The line drawn from the center of the curvature to any point on the surface of the mirror is dash. A. Incident ray. B. Reflected ray. C. Normal ray. D. Refracted ray. The correct option is C. 15. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called dash. A. Angle of reflection. B. Incident ray. C. Angle of incidence. D. Reflected ray. The correct option is C. 16. The angle between normal and reflected ray is called dash. A. Angle of reflection. B. Incident ray. C. Angle of incidence. D. Reflected ray. The correct option is A. 17. In the plane mirror, our left hand seems right and right hand as left. This is known as A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Lateral inversion. D. Kaleidoscope. The correct option is C. 18. The distance between the pole of the mirror and the object is known as A. Image distance V. B. Focal length F. C. Principal. D. Object distance U. The correct option is D. 19. The distance between the pole of the mirror and the image is known as A. Image distance V. B. Focal length F. C. Principal. D. Object distance U. The correct option is A. 20th. Which image cannot be obtained on the screen? A. Real image. B. Virtual image. C. Shadow. D. Lateral image. The correct option is B. Here is the explanation. It is erect with respect to the object. It cannot be obtained on a screen. It is formed when two or more rays seem to intersect each other at a point behind the mirror. 21. Which image can be obtained on screen? A. Real image. B. Virtual image. C. Shadow. D. Lateral image. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. It is inverted with respect to the object. It can be obtained on a screen. It is formed when two or more rays intersect each other at a point in front of the mirror. 22. Focal length of plane mirror is blank. A. 0. B. Infinity. C. Negative. D. Positive. The correct option is B. 23. A light ray incidents on plane mirror at an angle 33 degree. Then what is the angle of reflection? A. 66 degree. B. 33 degree. C. 57 degree. D. 11 degree. The correct option is B. Here is the explanation. According to the laws of reflection, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. 24. Due to which process beautiful patterns are formed in the kaleidoscope? A. Lateral inversion. B. Re-reflection. C. Dispersion. D. Multiple reflection. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Due to the formation of multiple images, beautiful patterns are formed in a kaleidoscope. It is to be noted that no same pattern is repeated again. Artists use kaleidoscope to get designs for wallpapers, fabrics. 25. A ray of light incidents on a plane mirror at an angle of 90 to its surface. What will be the angle of reflection? A. 0 degree, B. 90 degree, C. 45 degree, D. 180 degree. The correct option is A. 26. Two plane mirrors are kept at the following angles one by one, in which case the number of images formed is the maximum. A. 75 degree, B. 50 degree, C. 30 degree, D. 45 degree. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. The maximum number of images is formed when the angle between the mirrors is the smallest. So among the given options, 30 degree is the smallest angle. 27. What type of image is formed in a concave mirror or converging mirror? A. Real and inverted. B. Virtual and erect. C. Both A and B. D. None. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. The size of image depends on the distance between the object and the mirror. It can be small, diminished, or enlarged. Generally, the image formed is real and inverted. 28. What type of image is formed in a convex mirror or diverging mirror? A. Real and inverted. B. Real, inverted and large. C. Virtual and erect. D. Virtual, erect and small. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. The size of the image is smaller than the size of the object. Image formed is virtual, erect and small. It has the higher coverage area. It diverges the incoming rays. 29. Which type of mirror is used by dentists? A. Convex mirror. B. Plane mirror. C. Kaleidoscope. D. Concave mirror. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Concave mirror uses. It is used by the ENT doctors, dentists, shaving mirror, headlights of vehicles, solar heating devices, flashlights, solar cookers and furnaces, telescope and microscopes, and satellite dishes. 30. Light rays from an object fall on a surface and get reflected in a completely diffused manner. What can you say about the nature of image of the object? A. It will be virtual and enlarged. B. No image will be formed. C. It will be virtual and of same size. D. It will be real and enlarged. The correct option is B. 31. The number of images formed by a plane mirror is A. 2, B. 1, C. 0, D. Many. The correct option is B. 32. In which of the following eye diseases cylindrical lens is used? Short-sightedness, presbyopia, astigmatism, long-sightedness. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. The person cannot see equally in all the directions. Cylindrical lens is used to cure this disease. 33. An air bubble inside water behaves like a convex lens, plane convex lens, concave mirror, concave lens. The correct option is D. Concave lens. Here is the explanation. This type of a lens is thinnest at the middle and thicker towards its edges. It is also called diverging lens because it diverges a beam of parallel rays of light after refraction. The image formed by the convex lens is virtual, erect, and small in size. It is used in the correction of short-sightedness, that is myopia, of the eyes. 34. If you asked to project the image of a well-lit painting on the wall, which one of the following optical device would you select for this purpose? Option A. Concave lens. Option B. Convex lens. Option C. Plane mirror. Option D. Convex mirror. The correct answer is B. Convex lens. It is this type of lens which is thickest at the middle and gradually becomes thinner towards its edges. It is also called converging lens because it converges a beam of parallel rays of a light after refraction. The image formed by this lens is real and inverted. 35. Identify the correct answer. A. A concave mirror forms an erect as well as inverted image. B. A concave mirror always forms an inverted image. C. A convex mirror forms an erect as well as inverted image. D. A concave mirror always forms an inverted image. The correct option is A. Here is the explanation. The size of the image depends upon the distance between the object and mirror. It can be small, diminished, or enlarged. Generally, the image formed is real and inverted. 36. The image of a distant colored object formed in a pinhole camera is always A. Virtual erect colored and diminished. B. Real erect colored and diminished. C. Real inverted black and white and diminished. D. Real inverted colored and diminished. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Formation of shadow images in pinhole camera are possible only sunrise travel in straight line. The color of image is as the color of object. Through this camera, long-distance colorful object forms inverted, real and small image. 37. You are provided with a concave mirror, a concave lens, a convex mirror and a convex lens. To obtain an enlarged image of an object, you can use either A. Concave lens or convex lens. B. Concave mirror or convex mirror. C. Concave mirror or convex lens. D. Concave mirror or convex lens. The correct option is C. In the image you can see the images of concave mirror and convex lens. 38. What is the unit of lens? A. Decibel scale dB. B. Diopter D. C. Power P. D. Meters M. The correct option is B. Diopter. The symbol of diopter is capital D. Here is the explanation. The unit of lens is diopter. Convex lens power is positive and concave lens is negative. Next question. 39. A convex lens of focal length 0.5 meter and concave lens of focal length 1 meter are obtained. The power of resulting lens will be A. 1D, B. minus 1D, C. 0.5D, D. minus 0.5D. The correct option is A. 1D. 40. Clear sky is observed blue because of A. Refraction of light, B. Scattering of light, C. Polarization of light, D. Diffraction of light. The correct option is B. Scattering of light. Here is the explanation. When a light strikes the microscopic particles, it spreads in all directions. This is known as scattering of light. The scattering of light depends on the wavelength of the light. Less wavelength, more the scattering, and vice versa. The scattering of violet color is more. Clear sky and seawater appears blue because the blue color is the most scattered color. The wavelength of red light is the greatest, hence its scattering is less. So, red is used as a symbol of danger. 41. Total internal reflection is possible when light travels from air to water to glass to glass, glass to water. The correct option is D. Here is the explanation. Mirage. It seems that water is present but not so in desert and on roads. Shining of a broken glass, diamond and air bubbles in water. 42. One student uses a lens of focal length 50 cm and another uses a lens of focal length 50 cm. The nature of the lens and its power used by each of them respectively are A. Convex with power +2 diopters, concave with power - diopters. B. Convex with power -2 diopters, concave with power + diopters. C. Concave with power -2 diopters, convex with power + diopters. D. Concave with power +2 diopters, convex with power - diopters. The correct option is A. Convex with power +2 diopters, concave with power - diopters. 43. Which of the following properties of water can be used to explain the spherical shape of rain droplets? A. Viscosity. B. Surface tension. C. Critical phenomenon. D. Pressure. The correct option is B. Surface tension. 44. The splitting of white light into its constituent colors is known as A. Scattering of light. B. Tyndall effect. C. Dispersion. D. Total internal reflection. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. The 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Vibgyor. 45. Rainbow is produced when sunlight falls on drops of rain. Which of the following physical phenomenon are responsible for this? 1. Dispersion. 2. Refraction. 3. Internal reflection. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. The correct option is D. Dispersion, refraction, and total internal reflection. 46. Which color component of white light is deviated the most through a prism? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Blue. D. Violet. The correct option is D. Violet. 47. For which color of the light the focal length of a lens will be maximum? A. Violet. B. Blue. C. Red. D. Yellow. The correct option is C. Red. 48. The image produced by a concave lens is always dash. A. Real. B. Virtual. C. Inverted. D. Enlarged. The correct option is B. Virtual. 49. Image formed by a convex spherical lens is dash. A. Imaginary and erect. B. Real and erect. C. Imaginary and inverted. D. Real and inverted. The correct option is A. Imaginary and erect. 50. A patient of hypermetropia is given spectacles of A. Lens of zero capacity. B. Compound lens. C. Convex lens. D. Concave lens. The correct option is C. Here is the explanation. A person who suffers from hypermetropia cannot see the nearby objects clearly. The image of the object is formed behind the retina because of increase in the focal length. Use of convex lens of appropriate focal length can be the cure. Here is your question. How is presbyopia corrected? A. A convex lens alone. B. A concave lens alone. C. Trifocal lenses only. D. Bifocal or progressive lens. Put your answer in the comments below. Don't just watch and leave. This is part 1 of our Light Reflection and Refraction MCQ series, covering previous year questions and key textbook concepts from CBSE and SSC textbooks. Next, we move into part 2 of Light Refraction MCQs, based on previous year questions and the CBSE or SSC textbook patterns. If you haven't watched the Chemistry MCQs, check the description for the links to part 1 and part 2 of the Chemistry MCQs series. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, hit subscribe button and stay ready for the next part.